Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got an exciting product to talk about, the FOSHIO Plastic Razor Blade Scraper. If you're into car maintenance or DIY projects, you're going to love this one. This is the FOSHIO Plastic Razor Blade Scraper, and it's not your ordinary paint scraper. It's the best paint stripper for cars available in the market, and here's why. First, let's talk about its features. The FOSHIO Plastic Razor Blade Scraper comes in a kit that includes 2 scraper tools and a whopping 100 replacement blades. That's right, you heard me correctly, 100 blades. Just look at this kit. It's a complete package for tackling various tasks. Whether you need to remove gaskets, labels, decals, or adhesive residues from your car's windows or glass, this scraper has got you covered. Now, what sets this scraper apart is its durability. These tools are made of high-quality hot-molded plastic, which gives them both strength and rigidity. You won't have to worry about them breaking while you're working. And here's the best part, changing the blades is a breeze. The kit includes 100 replacement blades and a handy blade clip for quick and easy blade changes. No more struggling with dull blades. The ergonomic design of the handles reduces hand fatigue and provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to work for longer periods without discomfort. Plus, these scrapers are lightweight and small enough to carry in your pocket. But the versatility of the FOSHIO Plastic Razor Blade Scraper doesn't stop there. It's not just for cars, it's perfect for a wide range of applications. You can use it for scraping labels, stickers, window film, decals, and other adhesives from car windows and windshields. Safety is crucial, and that's why these plastic blades are a safer alternative for your fingers and surfaces compared to traditional metal blades. Don't just take my word for it. Let's see what customers have to say. With over 10,000 ratings and an impressive 4.5-star average, this product has proven its worth to many satisfied customers. Customers love the value for money, easy-to-hold design, ease of use, and sturdiness of these scrapers. They appreciate that the blades are good quality, and the kit comes with a generous supply of replacements. Now, let's put this FOSHIO Plastic Razor Blade Scraper to the test. I'm going to demonstrate how efficiently it removes a stubborn adhesive residue from a car window. As you can see, it glides smoothly, and the residue is disappearing without a trace. It's impressive how well it works. Apart from car maintenance, you can use this scraper for household tasks like removing stickers, glue, paint, and more. It's a versatile tool that every DIY enthusiast should have in their toolkit. Before we wrap up, let's check out some technical details. The FOSHIO Plastic Razor Blade Scraper Kit includes 2 plastic scrapers, 100 double-edged plastic blades, and it's available in different colors. Plus, it's manufactured by FOSHIO, a trusted brand in car wrapping and window tinting tools. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best paint stripper for cars and a versatile tool for various scraping and cleaning needs, the FOSHIO Plastic Razor Blade Scraper is an excellent choice. Its durability, ease of use, and value for money make it a top pick. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy scraping!